morning, wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself. It is a monster matchup, Jim Beglin.
Well, with nothing resting on this, Peter, I'm hoping that there'll be more impetus for the players to just enjoy the game with the pressure off, try out a few different things, and we get something open and free-flowing.
So off we go then. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Yeah, Paul Pogba. He could be a real game changer for this team, Peter. He's got the strength to hold off defenders and the technical ability to pick out a killer pass. He can also shoot with great power and accuracy. He's a real midfield dynamo, actually, capable of winning a tackle in his own half and then charging downfield to make something happen at the other end. Box to box.
Yes, getting the best out of him will count for so much. Can he put it away? Now, who's going to be first to this? And it's hoisted clear. And it's Bernardo Silva. And that should be the keepers. Lewis. Ansu Fati. Foden. And it's played forward. Vanderson.
Monaco really are pushing their fullbacks forward now.
Aiming to do what?
Well, it's a case of engaging your opponents further up the pitch to take the sting out of opposition attacks. It's effectively a wide press.
Caio Henrique. Now who's going to be first to this? Caio Henrique got a long way forward to join the attack. Foden, there's the delivery. Dyer. Kira. If you have just joined us, well, you've missed no goals. Looking for options for movement. Cleared without complication.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Caio Henrique just eases him off the ball. And Kera. And it's Pogba. Diatta. Out to the left it goes. In comes the cross.
Oh, how that cross missed everyone is an absolute mystery to me. It warranted a finishing touch.
Foden. He's had it taken off him.
Foden really was well marshalled there, because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Well, the less said about that pass, the better. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Vardiol. Well, he's going to be disappointed with that. And it's Pogba. Out to the right. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Well, the ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances.
Well, it was deliberate, it was cynical, and you have to understand the frustration of being denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
They've played it short. Another corner. Any better luck this time round? Caio Enrique falls short. And now they can spring out of defence. Balogun. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Defending is unapologetically persistent. It's almost personal, and it had to be. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Monaco needed that. They really needed it.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
Vanderson. Ansu Fati. Ansu Fati! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Ansu Fati clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
Dyer. And the whistle goes for half-time. Well, it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. Already up and running for the second half.
At least there's always a plus side to a scoreless half. Defences are doing what they should, and it's going to take good imagination to break the deadlock.
Now the finish! And it's a goal!
Well, it's hardly a great surprise to see him doing something thrilling, and it should send a strength and courage through every one of his teammates from here. Yeah, the touch before the finish is so often the critical part, and we've just seen an example.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
He's dribbled past his man here. Can he finish? It's a goal! And once more, we are all square. You score, we score.
Yeah, and the analysis of the goal should take a back seat to the importance of a committed reaction. This is wonderful to watch.
And that will surely go down as one of the easiest goals he could ever score.
Yeah, it's mystifying that a player of his talent wasn't picked up sooner, and he picked them off instead.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
Now it's Ansu Fati. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
And he has been fouled there. Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. Salisu. Passes short and sharp. That's an excellent interception. Vanderson. Forwards and with intent. That's a little off target. Oh, just Haaland! Potential goal of the season contender, if only.
He's the one player you want on the ball running at defences, and that's precisely why.
Have their second corner now. Up to meet it! Harmlessly behind. Vanderson. Now Diatta. Kovacic. The most accurate pass. Now Salisu. Golovin. And it's a crossfield ball towards the other flank. And that's put paid to a promising move. Great position here. Oh, great defending, that needed doing. Vanderson. Ansu Fati. Well, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Now it's Foden. Ansu Fati. Ansu Fati! Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Had it nicked away. Pogba. Diatta. He's a sharp little ball here. Balogun! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it. Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Calmly anticipates. And he's gone searching crossfield. Diatta. Now this could be a chance. Ansu Fati. In towards the middle. Nice interception, well timed.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Monaco really will have to throw everything at this now. Gets into some space. Hangs one in. Chance with a header! That was superb goalkeeping.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Corner number 3 coming up.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Haaland stood up well to him there.
They're avoiding the blatantly obvious by not getting the ball into the opposition box. That's where it has to be.
Ansu Fati. Akush. Play towards the front line. And that's that.